Dear students, today we start chapter 8 Banking and Taxation. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, taxation part is removed in your syllabus. Now banking. Bank are those institutions which give interest on the money deposited by the public and gives loans to needy businessmen or any other person. There are four types of deposits account: saving deposit account, current deposit account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account. Recurring deposit account and fixed deposit account are in our syllabus. Recurring deposit account. A depositor choose a specified amount which is normally a multiple of rupees 10 and deposit that amount every month for a fixed period of time, and that fixed period of time is chosen by the depositor at the time of opening RD account. After expiry of this period, the depositor get the amount deposited by him with interest. Now, formula for calculate interest on this account. Interest equal to P multiplied by R upon 100 multiply 1 upon 12 n into n plus 1 by 2, where P monthly installment, R rate of interest, and total number of monthly installment, and amount equal to P multiplied by n plus I, where I is interest, P monthly installment, and total number of monthly installment. Now exercise 1, question number 1. Karim deposits rupees 150 every month for 2 years in his recurring deposit account in State Bank of India. If the rate of interest is 5% per annum, then how much money will be paid to Karim by the bank after 2 years? Solution number 1. Given P, given monthly installment P is equal to rupees 150. Rate of interest R is 5% per annum. Time (2 years) and 2 multiplied by 12, 24. Interest P into R upon 100 multiply 1 upon 12 into n plus 1 upon 2 150 multiply 5 upon 100 into 1 upon 12, 24 multiply 24 plus 1 upon 2. (150 multiplied by 5), 100, 1 upon 12 into 24, 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2. 12 to the 2 to cancel, 5 to the 10. 15 multiply 25 upon 2. 15 multiplied by 25, 375 upon 2. 187.50. Money paid to Karim by bank after 2 years equal to P multiplied by N plus I. 150 multiplied 24 plus 187.50. 3,600 187.50 rupees 3,787.50. Question number 4. Padmani opened a recurring deposit account in District Cooperative Bank for 10 years and her monthly installment is rupees 100. If on maturity she get rupees 3,025 as interest, what is the rate of interest per annum? Solution 4. Given monthly installment rupees 100, time 10 years and 10 multiplied by 12, 120. Interest rupees 3,025. Let the rate of interest be R% per annum. Interest P into R upon 100 multiply 1 upon 12 into N plus 1 upon 2. Interest 3,025 100 into R upon 100 multiply 1 by 12 into 120 120 plus 1 upon 2. 3,025 100 into R upon 100 to 1 by 12 120 into 121 upon 2. 12 10 to 5. 3,025 transpose 5 and 121 5 6 2 605 121 121 ones are 5 R equal to 5% per annum. In my next video, we will learn fixed deposit account. Thanks for watching my video.